Hi everyone, Tine here. I'm super excited to finally be able to talk to you guys about our app, very soon launching now. So let's dive right into it. So I've opened my app here, and then I'm gonna go right in and show you our main feature, which is the sequence builder. So we're opening it up and I'm gonna click build your sequence, okay? And here I have all of the cards in my Hatha and Vinyasa decks. And then when I find the asana that I want, I just simply swipe up to add it to my sequence, okay? What I can also do, if I want to know more about that specific asana, I just click on the card and it opens up a page that entails all of the different details about the asana. So you have a close-up of the illustration, you have cues, you have precautions, contraindications, you have how-to, you have a video of the asana breakdown from our academy, you have the chakras and the benefits associated with that specific asana. So you have loads and loads of information, okay? And another great part are the filters. So when I want to build a sequence, I can also just click on the filters at the bottom here, and you have all of the different categories, you have all of the different chakras and the benefits. So I can filter by that. So now I've added one from the warm-up. I'm gonna choose standing and then done, and you see that the cards change. And now I only have the standing category. So then I'm gonna go ahead and continue building my sequence. I'm gonna swipe up some cards here, and then, let's see, 3 cards. But then I'm like, oh no, this one was wrong. Okay, so if I have a wrong one, I will just click on it, tap on it in the sequence, the chosen sequence, and X comes up and I just press on the X and it goes away, okay? But then I'm like, no, okay, it wasn't wrong anyway. I want to add one in the middle. Then I tap on it, hold it down. It becomes a little card at the same size of the cards above, and I can drag it up and you see that there's a little square coming up, and then I can put it where I want it, right? So this is a great one. We have worked on this one to be able to, sometimes we do mistakes. So what we usually do then when we build a sequence, right, is especially maybe for your standing sequences, I will show you a great one now. So I'm gonna pretend that I have my whole sequence now. I'm gonna click next, and then I have 3 standing poses here, and that is my standing sequence, and I wanna do it right and then left, right? Usually. So I'm gonna click on the first card of that standing sequence. I'm gonna hold it down and you can see that I can select the cards, right? So I'm gonna select all of the cards in that standing sequence, and then I'm gonna press duplicate. And then it duplicates that exact order so that I have it first one side, so first right, and then left afterwards, right? Which is really a time saver, I will tell you that, because I've built some sequences now, and this is really a great feature. And then after which I can press on the 3 dots up here and I can save it, right? So I can click save, and then I'm gonna name it my sequence, my S in this case, okay? Then press save. One thing though that I didn't show you, I know that Umberto did, but I will show it again. You can also change the times on each asana in this screen. So if I want to stay in my crescent lunge a little longer, I can just press up or down, okay? So now I want to close this screen and I'm going to show you where you can find your saved sequences, okay? So I'm going to press, to do it quickly, you press on the 3 dots and then you just close it and it takes you back to the home screen. And now at the bottom here, you have home, you have saved sequences. So here you can see that I have already played quite a bit with the app, and I love it, and I'm sure that you will too. So here you have all of your saved sequences. What you also can do here, obviously, is that you can swipe towards the left and it will give you the option to edit your sequence or to delete your sequence, okay? So if I choose edit, it will take me back to the sequence builder and I can edit from there, and I can also obviously press forward and edit from here, okay? Then also, obviously, if you press delete, it will go then and delete that sequence from your saved sequences, which is also great. Then, if you need some inspiration or it's just not your day in it, we have your pre-made sequences, which is also super interesting, and I'm sure that you guys are interested in knowing about that. And so what I'm gonna do now is gonna find one. Here's a slow flow for release, for instance. I'm gonna choose that sequence. But what's cool is that I can now go and tailor this sequence to me. So, you know, I'm here, I can read about the sequence, I have all of the different tags, so this is particularly good for flexibility, release, etc. It says what kind of props I need to do the sequence, it says what style of yoga it is, etc. It is already pre-made, and I can go up here and save it in my sequences. So I have it, and I can do it another time. I'm going to call this one slow, just because it's called slow flow for release, and I'm going to save it. And then what I can do, I'm going to go about it like this. I'm going to swipe towards the left and I'm going to click edit. And then I can go and see, okay, for instance, I do not want to do wild thing for some reason. And then I can just click on wild thing and then take it away, right? Like we did before, and then add another one. Now I'm gonna add cat cow instead, just so you can easily see because it's another color, right? Ding, right there. Move forward, and then to the next screen, and then I can press save as, and I can call this one slow without wild thing, right? And so I know that that one will be adjusted to my needs. So I think it's super cool. It gives you so much opportunities to be inspired or to do it by yourself. Choose whatever like fits you for the day and everything, and you have like all of your saved sequences. I'm really super excited, and I hope you are as well. And this was what I wanted to show you today, but by the time that we launch, there's probably going to be much more as well to show you. We're working on it every day, and so yeah, can't wait. Stay tuned for the next update.